Tantra is a concept that most people think means sex, and Tantra includes sex, but Tantra is actually an umbrella term for a view of life that all is sacred. So if you take Western spirituality, it's really like, this is sacred and this isn't. So, you need to eat a certain way, you need to pray a certain way, you need to think a certain way, and everything else is bad or sinful. And you take the most extreme forms of this and they'll say sex is bad. So most of us grew up with this idea that sex is secretly bad. Well, it's not, but yes it is. So we are all indoctrinated with this idea. But Tantra comes along and says everything is divine, including sex. So tantric practices are about that not only is all of life holy and sacred, but Tantra, sex is holy and sacred, and that it's a beautiful part of life to experience sex, and that people can be doing it with their hearts connected. So it's really a way for people to develop themselves, for their sexuality to become more heartfelt. And I was also thinking about this the other day, that, this culture, they say this culture is very sexual, but it's actually sexual in a very adolescent way. It's like, it's okay to have a woman in a bikini looking at you in a come-on look on a billboard, but it's not okay to have sexuality that's loving and spiritual. That's very taboo. That's very taboo. So sex, if it's kind of naughty and nasty and behind closed doors and men preying on women, then that's okay. But if it's, and women are victim of this whole scenario, but if it's really about people learning to be loving with each other, including in their lovemaking and their sexuality, then that's very taboo. So hence Tantra gets a bad name. It's really about love.